What's up, beautiful? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this, I am KB Natural, aka Zakia. Before you do anything, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button because you just cannot be a part of the team if you're not subscribed. That's just the way it is. So today I am doing something completely out of the box, something so different. You can see my hair is halfway done and it's looking all with your ways. But let me tell you why. Because I am recreating my favorite high school look mixed with my wash and go. As you see, these are rubber band boxes. Rubber band boxes is basically your hair parted into boxes sections. Then you just add rubber bands to the single strands. So that's what you see here. And then you kind of like cross them together, twist it up, do whatever you want to do. You can make it your own. But today I'm not doing a tutorial. This is not a tutorial. But if you would like a tutorial on how I do this, make sure you hit the like button and I will do a tutorial on it. But for today, I'm just gonna show you how I'm doing it, and then I'm gonna just go on with my wash and go, and then I'll show you the finished look. As you see, like some of this top part is like not twisted up, but some of it is. That's because the ends are gonna go into the wash and go. So I'm not gonna have the front twisted up at all. I have most of them twisted up just to get it out my way. I am so excited to do this look because when I say I used to wear this look all the time, I'm so serious. I used to wear this look all the time because it was my favorite look. It was so cute, but I did not wear it with a wash and go, of course. I just wear it like either with my hair straight down in the back, half up, half down, or I just had like a ponytail. But it was the cutest look. I loved this look. It's so easy though. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. It's just showing you how I do it. But what I can tell you is the key for this thing to look super cute is to make sure that your parting is up to par. Now my parting is not the best because I'm not the best parter. I at least make sure that the part is somewhat neat. You know what I'm saying? So, and you also want to make sure that you have like equal amounts for both sides. So as you see, my lines are going across here of my head. So I'm basically just about to match what's up here. Just like that. And then this is gonna be my top and this is gonna be my bottom. And if you used to wear rubber band boxes in your hair as a teenager or a kid, whatever, then leave a comment and tell me what age were you rocking rubber band boxes. Like I was rocking rubber band boxes at age, I don't know, maybe 13 to like 15, around that age range. So I was rocking it. Yes, I was. So I'm not adding any gel or anything to this. I'm basically just adding my moisture. So I'm using a butter and I'm sealing it with an oil. That's all I'm doing for the front part because it's not a wash and go. So I'm not gonna add any gel. I just want it to be, you know, moisturized. And my hair is washed. It is conditioned, and also I have leave-in conditioner in there. Just so you know, I'm not doing this on dirty hair or old hair. So I'm just gonna moisturize this part. I should have did it together, but I'm just gonna moisturize this and add some oil to it to seal it. So I actually am using the larger rubber bands because that's just what I rather prefer for my hair. You can use whatever, but this is the size of rubber band that I'm using. It's a large one. And I'm making sure not to tie it around too tight. Maybe like 5 or 6 times. And then just tighten it a little bit because it's right on our edges, so we don't want to pull too much. And then for the front ones, all I do is just twist it. The twist for the ends, I'm going to untwist that because it's going into the wash and go. It's going to be styled as a wash and go, but I need this to be twisted so it can look like that. You want it to look as neat as possible, which is why you twist it up. And if you're wondering, I am using the MELANIN Twist Elongating Cream with the multi-use pure blend oil to seal. And this has like been my go-to for moisture And then also with the larger rubber bands, they're not too tight and it's not going to be difficult for me to take them out. So that's why I'm using the larger rubber bands. And I'm not worrying about my ends curling because I've kind of been sitting around for a little bit, so my hair is not soaking wet, which is fine. It's just gonna make it easier for it to dry once I'm getting ready for this wash and go. So for the back, I'm not putting any rubber bands on there. I'm just gonna cross it here. And then you just wanna play with it to see where you want it to cross. So I want this one to go here and this one to go here. And you want to make sure not to get any hairs in between so it won't tangle. You want to be very, very careful not to tangle all of this up. And you see how it's going to cross? And then you cross it. Now, one thing that you want to be sure to do or not to do is what I always have a trouble doing with these, is you don't want them to be too close. You see how my rubber bands are too close? You don't want them to be too close. You want them to be more separated, kind of like how this one is. But maybe it's my parting, maybe it's the shape of my head, I don't know. But this is like how separate you want them to be rather than this close. I am going to start my wash and go process, which is the gels, water, aloe vera juice, all of that stuff on the back of my hair. So half up, half down. So on the back of my hair, I'm gonna do the wash and go process. I'm gonna speed the video up. Don't need to talk through that and do a tutorial through that, because if you ain't already watched my videos and you just clicking on this one to see what it's about, go ahead back there and watch them wash and go videos so you can know how to do one and how I do mine. I'm gonna speed the video up and I will see you in a little bit. I'm wondering slowly that you are no more than a dream. Hey you, is this all you wanted? And hey you, we could be more. From the distance, hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong? I am finished with doing the wash and go half, so I'm done with this down part. So now all I have to do is just diffuse my hair and then stretch it, and then it'll be done. So I'm gonna come back on camera maybe in a couple of days, maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after, just so you can see how it looks. And yeah, so I'm pretty excited to see how it looks. I don't know about this side. This side just wasn't acting right. We're gonna see how it looks, so I'll see you in a couple of days. Hey y'all, so I am on day 2 of this style, wash and go, whatever you want to call it. I am not a fan of this just because it was kind of difficult to style this with a wash and go, just because I had these little pieces right here, these individual pieces for these rubber band boxes. It was just kind of difficult to style it with the wash and go for whatever reason. I don't think I will be doing this style again, but like I said, if you want to try this style and if you want to see a detailed tutorial, I would not mind doing it again for you. So give this video a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video of me trying a new style. I'll see you next time. Bye.